Hello everyone. I want to take a minute and just talk about best practices for classroom technology integration. We are a clever district and we integrate apps and resources through a single sign-on process. We put data privacy protections in place and we align those needs with support and alignment to curriculum. So resources which are synced assist students and educators for easy access. It's a huge best practice. That's why we do it that way. We want to make things accessible and easy to access and also make them aligned to how people want to teach and what are the best resources available. Another best practice, which can be tied to this, is how the technology skills and the students' use of the technology is adaptable. And students learn the skills at a different level, and you might be implementing them and having them integrated into your lessons at different levels. So it's important to monitor and see that process happen and see if student skill levels is matching to how the tool is being used in the classroom and if we're maximizing that impact. Another huge best practice for technology integration is the flexibility with classroom space and time. So I think we remember during the pandemic, the advantage of sharing resources widely and giving students opportunities to access things to enhance their learning in different spaces, but also how technology enhances spaces and opportunities for collaboration, and utilizing tools which support that, but also support the types of learning that they're trying to do. If they're accessing resources at home versus in school, different types of digital resources, what's the expectation for the classroom, and then also what types of opportunities for collaboration can be created from that flexibility. The final piece is data assessment features and real-time feedback. So if we're utilizing technology in the classroom, there's a huge advantage to having real-time data to support students with their answering to digital assessments, their ability to access digital assessments, and how can we follow their learning path? How can we see their progress, differentiate instruction in a way that's meaningful and also provides them the most information to support their learning? And also on our end, what are we seeing in that type of data that we can then adjust our practice for? So that's 2.5 minutes of very quick best practices for technology classroom integration. I think all four of these things work together in a lot of meaningful ways, and they're just good things to think about when we're thinking about our process with integrating technology in the classroom. And if we can take advantage of these things, it's a great opportunity.